Welcome to our tutorial on how to update your Angular project. We begin by ensuring that we have the latest version of the Angular CLI installed globally. Open your terminal and type npm install g at Angular CLI. This command reaches out to the npm registry and installs the latest Angular CLI package globally on your machine, allowing you to use it for any project. Next, you want to make your way to the Angular project that you intend to update. For that, use the change directory command, cd, followed by the path to your project's directory. Make sure to replace path to your project with the actual location of your Angular project. This sets the context of your terminal to the project's directory. Once you're in the project directory, it's time to check for available updates. Execute ing update in the terminal. This command analyzes your project, and Angular CLI will report back with a list of available updates for the dependencies in your project and might also provide recommendations on which packages should be updated. If there are updates available for the core Angular framework or Angular CLI itself, you can apply them individually by running ing update followed by the package names. For example, to update both the Angular core framework and the Angular CLI, type ing update at Angular core at Angular CLI. This ensures that you are using the latest features and optimizations provided by the Angular team. Now, if you want to go ahead and update all packages in your project, not just Angular-specific ones, you can use the command ing update, all, force. Be cautious with this as it updates every project dependency to its latest version, which sometimes may lead to breaking changes or incompatibility. The force flag is necessary when some package updates have conflicts or do not meet the peer dependency requirements.